Hey YouTube, and welcome to Credit Oaks. Congratulations, you got approved for a credit limit of $50,000. This is an express credit card and a number of people are getting approved for this credit card with no credit check at all. In this very important video, I'm going to give you 3 very important steps. You can call it trick or a hack, but this is going to work as it's working for a number of people and they got approved for these massive limits. Remember, there is no credit check but a hack or a trick that you can use right now and get approved for this credit card. Right here in this video, I will give you the step-by-step guide, so make sure you stay with us till the end. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $15,000 worth of personal loan with no credit check at all. If you are looking for it, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. So let's not wait and get straight into the details and see what do we have right here for you and how you can get approved for this credit card with no credit check at all. So we are right here in the express.com website. This is the Express website. I'm going to link it in the video's description as well, but there are 3 major steps that I mentioned earlier that you need to follow in order to get approved for this credit card with no credit check. So let's go towards the first step. First, you need to do on your Chrome browser. Remember, this will only work on Google Chrome, so you need to use this browser to get approved for this credit card. So when you open your Google Chrome, you can go right there. As you can see, there are 3 dots. You can click on it and go to settings right here. When you go to settings, click on privacy and security. When you click on privacy and security, you go right here in site settings, right? So let me just zoom in for you so you can see it properly. Site settings, you click on it and then you scroll down and click right here on pop-ups and redirects. You click on it and you need to make sure that sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. This is active. I'm going to allow it right here in front of you. You click on it and after clicking it, you can close this window. This is important. Again, let me just tell you, you click on 3 dots, go to settings, click on privacy and security, go to site settings, scroll down, click on pop-ups and redirects and click right here, sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. This is very important because this is how you will be able to receive the pre-approved offer from express.com. So please keep this in mind. So then you close it and right here, as I already entered it, but let me do it again, you write express.com. You press enter and then this website will open. So what is the second step? And second step is very important. This is the fun part. You need to do some shopping. No, don't get scared. You just need to do window shopping. Means you don't have to buy anything. So right here, let me just show you. You go, let's say on women clothing and you add couple of things. Let's see that I like the matching sets, right? So I click right here, it says $151. Who cares? Just add it to the cart. So I'm gonna select the size, let's say medium, and add it to the bag. When you click on it, it will show up right here as you can see, right? It's the subtotal is $110.60. We need to make sure we at least hit $300. Again, we need to make sure we at least hit $300 on their website. Remember, you don't have to buy anything. You just need to do window shopping or add things to your cart. So let's go towards the second thing. Let's go towards the new collection, whatever it comes right here. So let's go towards the men's. It's not clicking right there. So I'm right here and it says shop now. I clicked on it and I am going to buy, let's say this shirt right here. It looks really nice. Make sure you don't add one thing twice because it looks like something that you are just enjoying the shopping and not buying anything. So right here, I'm gonna click on large and add to bag. So this is my second product that I added, right? So let's move towards more. So I'm gonna click right here, keep shopping. I'm gonna close it down right here and the keep shopping. I need to buy something that is a bit more expensive, so I'm gonna go on suits right there. So I click on it and I was right. So let's go with this. Oh, this looks nice. So I'm gonna click on this one, and then I am going to select, let's say, the size 38, add it to the back. Now what you see right here, you can see that my subtotal is over 300 now, so means we are all good, we are set for it. The second part worked. Now we need to click right here on view back. So we are right here, and then what we need to do, this is important, right? So we need to click right here on checkout. Remember, don't click on PayPal or anything, just click on checkout. I'm gonna click right here, and it's gonna ask me the email address, the password if I have an account. I'm gonna click right here at checkout as guest, and this is the fun part. Right here you need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, and your phone number. But there's a very important thing that you need to remember right here. When you put your full name, your last name, your email address, you need to confirm your email address. Then they're gonna ask you for your shipping and billing address. Let me just put any name right here. Henry, Todd. I'm going to put Credit Oaks, like the only email that we have on this channel. Credit Oaks at gmail.com, and then the number I can put like 713-631-0234, and then I click on continue right here. When I click on it, it's gonna ask me right here my country, street address, apartment if you have any, then zip code and city, and of course your state. Right here, this is very important. When you click on it, you need to make sure that the address you're going to put right here, it should exactly match the address that you have on your credit report. Again, let me repeat it. The address you are going to put right here, it should exactly match the address that you have on your credit report. Your name should be matched, your address should be matched, and your zip code is very important. As I mentioned earlier that I already got approved for Express credit card with $50,000 credit limit, but let me just tell you there's a catch in it. So when you put it, you'll see a pop-up right here, and this is important. This pop-up is for you, and this will say what? This right here. Congratulations, your Express credit card account has been approved for your credit limit is 50,000. A number of people got approved for 75,000, 95,000. But there's a catch, as I mentioned earlier, that this 50,000 is actually $500. You heard it right. They have a glitch in their system or something like that. $75,000 means $750. 50,000 means $500. This is a great opportunity for anyone out there who's in the process of building their credit limit, who's in the process of let's say getting a credit card with bad or worse credit. This is your opportunity. My credit score was around 750 or 760 when I used this trick, so I got approved. There's no impact to my credit. That was the greatest part. So you can get approved for this with literally no credit check, or you can call it soft pull or whatever, but this is a trick that worked for a number of people, and I hope that it will also work for you. Well, if you like the video, make sure you smash the like button on this video, as it really helps the channel and the video as well. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $15,000 worth of personal loan with no credit check. If you are interested in it, then make sure you click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so that's how you will get the notification of that video when we upload it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.